Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install React with Vite for UI development step by step clearly. To install React with Vite for UI development, begin by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your computer. If you haven't installed Node.js yet, download it from the official website and follow the installation instructions. Once Node.js is installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory where you want to create your new project. Use the command npm create Vite at latest to start creating a new Vite project. You will be prompted to enter the name of your project. Type your desired project name and hit enter. Next, select the framework you want to use. Choose React from the list of options. Select either JavaScript or TypeScript based on your preference. Once you've made your selections, navigate into your project directory with the command cd your project name. Now, install the project dependencies by running npm install. After the dependencies are installed, you can start the development server. Use the command npm run dev to launch the server. Your application will now be running, and you can view it in your web browser at http://localhost 5173. This is the default address where your Vite server will be accessible. You are now set to begin developing your React application using Vite. Feel free to explore the project files and start building your UI components. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.